I'm so much pleased to come your way again with these CCTV tidbits. Let's talk about indoor cameras. Indoor cameras are cameras that are purely designed for use at indoor locations where they are not exposed to moisture or rain, because the housing of those cameras are not purely sealed against the entry of moisture or rain. And so when you install indoor cameras at outdoor locations, it greatly exposes the camera to irreparable damage. I will therefore recommend that in planning a CCTV or surveillance system project, no indoor camera should be sited at any location where the camera will come into contact with moisture or rain. When you do that, it goes a long way to prolong the lifespan of your cameras. It's been a pleasure coming your way again with this information. Thank you so much for watching. Please ensure you leave your comments and questions about this video. I will gladly attend to them. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.